Hi folks, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of September 12th, 2017. The charts in this presentation are provided to us by the Trade Navigator software from Gettess. I don't mind saying this is a kind of a difficult week for me, and I'm just being personal about it. A couple of 9/11 memories with the tension all weekend of watching to see what Irma was going to do down to people in Florida kind of just has me not really in the mood to trade. But fortunately, the markets have made it difficult anyway. It wouldn't make a whole lot of difference. In the bonds here, we were looking for them after several weeks of strength to possibly continue up to the 158.25 area here. And that would mean they would be using support around 156.28. Well, they gapped open below that Sunday evening and have continued down. The 155.27 here hasn't meant a whole lot, and that's not unusual. When you have enough energy to gap through an area of support and resistance, that's a pretty major signal, and there's no reason to believe that this should hold. We've got more support down here at 154.24. I'm not telling you it can't hold, but that expression of energy makes that much less likely to hold than normal. So pretty difficult to do anything here. 154.24 is the next support, and I will be monitoring it, but I'm not going to be surprised if it doesn't hold, and I won't be surprised if it doesn't get there either. That's quite possible. Stocks have a similar, only reverse situation. After an inside week last week, a breakout isn't unusual, but they just gapped up. We were looking at support 24.50, which they haven't been anywhere near, and resistance around 24.67, which they basically gapped up and broke right through. Now we're into all-time new high territory, and hopefully if you've been listening to me for long, you know my rule about that. You got to leave them alone. Selling new all-time high territory is just a fool's errand. They're going to top sometime, but you can let somebody else do the hard work. We'll get a chance to sell a retest if that's really the high. And so for now, there's just not much of anything I can do. There's nowhere near support, and don't want to sell resistance. So, basically, I just hope everybody who has friends and family in Florida finds that they're okay and they'll get their power back on. And that's really all I care about at the moment. So I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself into. Thanks for checking in to see what we think.